Hey everybody, what's up? I want to share with you some big news. Coming to Bearded Outdoors is a brand new kayak. I picked it up on my birthday, a little treat to myself, and I've been looking at it for quite a while, did quite a bit of research, and I want to go over a few of the top, pretty much the top three that I was looking at. Maybe top four, we'll see. So with the Perception Pescador Pilot being the cheapest, I really wanted that to do well. And even with its quirks that a lot of people know about, you could fix those, repair those, use the fix-it kit from Perception, and fully deck it out, and it would still be usually under the price of the $3,000+ kayaks. So that's super tempting to do. It seems that a lot of people, or the majority of people, really love the Perception that they bought and decked out. So that was very tempting. The other I was looking at was the Wilderness Systems Radar 115 and a little bit of the 135 as well. I really, with the Helix pedal drive, and I really liked the looks and, you know, the flex pod and all that stuff. The drive system where you hit the pedal and it hits up, you know, it pops up real quick if you're in shallow water. That sounded really good, but after looking at it, testing it, and using it, it's pretty clunky. You gotta have the pedals lined up just right so that the propeller is lined up just right for the scupper hole. Otherwise, it's not gonna deploy fully up. And just from people doing that constantly in the shop, was beating up the propeller on that thing pretty easily. All sorts of little nicks and dents in it. So I wasn't too thrilled about the Helix pedal drive deploy system, or, you know, rapid up system, whatever they call it. So that kind of brought me to look at the Jackson Coosa FD that's supposed to be out already, and is, as far as I know, still not out, which is kind of disappointing because I really liked what they were doing with that. And I think I probably would have bought it if it was already out. Unfortunately, it is not, from what I know. You can do pre-orders and everything else like that, but I happened to stumble back in after missing out on some deals at my local shop, and got a good deal on my birthday for a Hobie Pro Angler 12. So let's take a look at that right now. Alright, so now that you've had a little sneak peek of that, I'll show you a really quick trip from the maiden voyage. First time taking it out in the water, went to a small pond, and then after that I went to a different spot and caught some fish, and you'll have to see those in the next video. So here's a short clip. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit the thumbs down. I don't care, just hit something, and we'll see ya. It smells fishy back here.